English Intermediate 1. Hi, my name is Licia Dominguez Sanchez. Today I want to share my plans and predictions for my future. Plans I already arranged. First, I am going to graduate from university this year. I am studying administration and this is my last semester. I am going to finish all my subjects because I want to get my degree. This is my main goal for 2026. Second, I am going to get a job in my career field. After I graduate, I am going to work in a company here in Veracruz. I am going to look for a job that helps me grow professionally. Third, I am going to start my own business in the future. This is my biggest dream. I am not going to do it immediately, but I am going to plan it step by step. Plans I am making at the moment. First, I am studying a lot for my final exams. I am reviewing my notes every night and I am practicing with my classmates. Second, I am looking for job opportunities in administration. I am sending my resume to local companies and I am checking job websites daily. Third, I am improving my English skills. I am practicing with applications on my phone and I am watching videos in English. I am doing this because English is very important for my career. Many companies need bilingual employees. Predictions for my future. First, I think I will have a very good job when I graduate. I will work as an administrative assistant and I will learn a lot from my experience. Second, I believe I will travel to other cities for my job. I will probably visit Mexico City for business meetings or training. This will help me meet new people and learn new skills. Third, I'm confident that my business will be successful in 5 years. It will start small, but it will grow because I will work hard every day. To conclude, I have clear plans for my future. I am going to achieve my goals, I am working hard now, and I have positive predictions.